I recently started exploring the world of AI art with Midjourney. It's an online tool that can bring anything from your imagination to life, no matter how unreal or abstract. If you're new to AI art, Midjourney is probably the best rated for creating visual art. Midjourney is an online tool that you can use to create any imaginary picture you want. The funny thing is that none of them are actually made by hand, they are all made by artificial intelligence. Today I'm going to talk about AI art and specifically Midjourney and how to use it. Want to show you how to use it. Incredible, look at these images and see that they're all done by imagination. They are actually done using text prompts on Discord. You can use these images in your video or blog, or you can even make photo storybooks. Let me show you how to install and use the Midjourney app on Discord. Midjourney app work on Discord. If you have a verified account on Discord, then you use it. If not, first create a Discord account. Let's check how to create a Discord account. This is a Discord website. You can also download the app on Windows or open it on your browser. If you have already an account, then sign in. If not, then register. First, enter your email and username. Then password. And lastly, enter your date of birth. Click on Continue. Then create your server and select the option of me and my friend. Type any name of the server and click Create button. Shows a topic, click the Done button. Now your Discord server is created. Go to your email inbox and verify. If you have not received the email, then press Resend button on top. Select on the bottom Add your first app and click. Click it out button, type search app Midjourney, then enter select Midjourney bot, add to the server. Click Continue, click Authorize, go to your server. Congratulations, Midjourney app installed. In the bottom, type press slash and press the I button. You see a prompt to write words and press enter. If you are not a subscriber on Midjourney, first subscribe. Press the slash button and then type S and select subscribe, enter and press visit page. Chose any plan. Yearly plan basic plan is $8 per month, $24 for the standard plan, $48 for a pro plan. If you chose the monthly plan, $10 for the monthly plan, $30 for the standard plan and $60 for the pro. These are details of a plan. Here are the images people have created using Midjourney. You can also open the Discord browser by signing in from the Midjourney website. If the app is installed, you can also open the app. You can type / in your server in Discord and select the settings option and press enter. You will have different options in front of you. You can select from them and set the image size, quality, and Midjourney model version. Now I create an image using Midjourney. Below the 4 image boxes you are seeing, you will see options to select images from U1 to U4 and to select image variants from V1 to V4. You can also click on the image to enlarge it. You can also take refresh images by pressing the round arrow button. You can also save the image to your computer. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.